Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by powering the watch off and placing it face down on a soft cloth. This protects the screen while you work. Next, find the quick-release pin or tiny spring bar where the band meets the case. It's usually visible in the lug gap. Use your spring bar tool or a thin flathead to push the pin inward, and then gently slide the band out. Take care not to force the pin. If it resists, realign the tool and try a slightly different angle. Once the old band is removed, orient the replacement so the spring bar fits the lug holes. The angled end should face toward the case. Compress the spring bar inward with your tool, position the free end into the opposite lug notch, then release so both ends click into place. Make sure the band sits flush against the case. A misaligned bar can pop out. If the watch uses a quick-release lever, simply pull the lever, seat the bar, and release to lock it in. After installation, power the watch on and inspect button access and sensor contact. Make sure the band doesn't block anything. If the band feels loose, remove it and reseat the spring bar. Often a slightly different angle secures it. If the pin won't compress, clean grime from the lug and apply a tiny drop of lubricant to the bar, then try again. If persistent issues occur, swap in a new spring bar or consult the band manufacturer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.